Well, I'm out here at the wheat fields south of Kennewick here doing a little practice with the Neo, the little drone, that little 4-ounce drone, and it's kind of windy out here. I don't know, probably blowing 10 to 15, and that's pretty much the maximum wind I believe for this little guy. So we'll see how it goes and fly around a little bit and do a little practicing with the manual controller. So we'll see how it works. Kind of fun. Got some wind flying in there. I got to practice with my manual steering of this drone with the manual controller there. And beautiful day out there though. Nice clouds and a little bit of wind and a little bit of fun. See you later.